What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm Sabrina, also known as Marie J. Bienvenidos. Today I'm doing a video all about my eyelash extensions, where I get my eyelashes done, how much they cost, are they worth it, things like that. So I have a notebook here just full of all of the notes and things that I'm going to talk about. And I'm also going to include some of your questions from Snapchat because I was stuck on what other things you guys wanted to know. So I'm going to read some of those towards the end. Pero antes de comenzar con el video, if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe. And even if you're not new, but you find yourself always coming back to my channel to watch my videos, make sure to subscribe. It's that red button down below. It's free. It's easy. And every time you go on YouTube, you'll see my videos pop up and you'll be up to date with everything that is going on. And now that we've gotten that out of the way, let's go ahead and jump into this video. First things first, let's start off with where I get my eyelashes done. So I go to Canny Beauty Lashes. I believe that's how it's pronounced. It's C-A-N-N-Y Beauty Lashes. I'll put the address down below. I think it's in the city of Rosemead, and that's where I get them done. It's not like a super high-end bougie lash bar, but they do an amazing job there. I haven't gone anywhere else besides there. If you drive by, you wouldn't even notice that it was there because it's, I don't want to say it's like a hole-in-the-wall place, but it's like a smaller place and you can't see it. It's kind of hidden and it almost looks like a little nail salon or something, but it's not. It's just a place dedicated to doing lash extensions. I think they do waxing there as well and permanent makeup, things like that, but I just go for my lashes. So I actually found that place through Groupon because I was looking for, since it was my first time a while ago getting them done, I wanted to at least get like a decent price on them in case I didn't end up liking them. So I found them on Groupon for $60 for a first-time customer, but you do not need to take the Groupon or look for it or download the app or anything. They have that $60, it's like $60 or $75 if you're a first-time customer, even if you don't have the Groupon. So you can just walk in or call and say, hey, I'm a first-time customer, and your lashes, at least for now, it's $60 for individuals and it's $75 for volume lashes. And then after that, when you're not a first-time customer, it's like regular price for a full set and regular price for a fill. The first time that I went there, I kind of vlogged my experience. Chris and I went and he was vlogging parts of it, and I have that video on my vlog channel, but I'll go ahead and link it up here as well in case you want to watch it. I'll link it down below in case you want to watch it at the end of this video. But yeah, we vlogged parts of it and it's so cool because yesterday I went to go get a fill and she was telling me that some of you guys have actually gone after watching my vlog and you guys have showed her the video and told her, hey, I want my lashes like her, and that's how she recognized me yesterday. She's like, aren't you the girl that's in the video? So if you guys have gone and shown her my video or show her that you want your lashes like me, I think that's super cool. It's so awesome to know that some of you guys are going to the same place that I'm going to, which is crazy. So many of you guys are like in the area, but it's very relaxing in there. You walk in and it's peaceful, it's quiet. They have you lay on a bed almost as if you're getting your brows or whatever you're getting waxed. You're just laying there and they almost like tape your eyes shut, which if that makes you anxious, it might not be the best idea because when you're getting your lashes done, they're working on your eyes and you have to have your eyes closed for a pretty long period of time. But the environment is very relaxing. You're laying there, they have music playing, they have different genres, they have different languages of music playing. I think it's really cool and it's a nice little mini getaway if you want something like a spa day or just some time to yourself. It is very relaxing in there. Now, as far as how much it costs to get your eyelashes done, so as I mentioned, first-time customers, for individual lashes, it's $60, and for volume lashes, it's $75. Individual lashes are more natural. They look really flattering and they're lightweight, but what I'm going to say is that they don't last as long. I got those done the very first time in the vlog that I posted on my vlog channel. I got individual lash extensions and they lasted me seriously like 2 weeks max. So I now get the volume lashes, and for first time customers, they're $75. They're a lot fuller. They're still lightweight. I don't feel like I even have anything on my lashes. Those I find last a lot longer. The first time that I got them done full volume, they lasted me seriously like a month and a week. And that's pretty long for lash extensions. So Personally, if you're a first-time customer, I would pay the extra $15 and get the volume and have them last a little bit longer. And they have different kind of volume lashes. They have 3D, they have 9D, but I get the 3D volume lashes. And I'll talk about this style in a little bit, but that's the price for first-time customers. For returning customers, it varies again on the style, how much, how long, or actually there, I don't think they charge for how long. I think it's just what fullness and what kind of lashes you want. It can vary anywhere from like 120 to 160, I want to say. It's somewhere in that range. It's about double the price of a fill. And then if you want to get a fill, it ranges again from $60 to $75, somewhere around there, just depending again on what style you want. So if you want individual lashes or if you want volume lashes. This time around that I went, they were telling me about the packages that they have, which they've offered me before. I think they started their packages this year. A 10% off deal that they were having for Valentine's Day. And I was like, okay, I know I like lash extensions. I know I'm going to come back to get fills. I might as well just get a package. And the package I got, you save 10% because of Valentine's Day. And that ends up saving you about $100 overall. And I'm able to get, I think it costs $270, and I can go get a fill up to 5 times, or I can get a full new set, but instead of it using one of my 5 fills, it'll use 2 of the 5 and I'll have 3 left over. You're almost getting a free fill because for the type of lashes I get $75 and I'm paying $270 to get 5 fills. I think that's pretty good. I'm gonna be good up until the end of summer basically. So yeah, I ended up doing that. If you're thinking of going like this week for Valentine's Day or whatever, I know some of you guys might watch this video after the fact, but if you're thinking of going, I think right now would be a pretty good time to try out their package. At this place, when you walk in, they have like a poster board in the front that shows you the different style lashes that they have. For me, when I walked in, I was like, I don't really know if I like any of these styles, but I knew more or less how I wanted them to look. So I mixed 2 different styles. I think I mixed cute and sexy. Those are some of the style names that they have. But if you have photos, which I'm going to talk about in a bit, if you have photos, I would highly suggest showing them those and they'll give you a similar result. So what I did was I told them I want to mix the cute and sexy because the sexy I think is a little fuller, but the cute is longer in the middle, and that's what I always ask for when I go. Whether it's a fill or whether it's a full set, I always say I want the lashes in the middle to be longer and I want the outer and the inner parts to be shorter. I just like that look. It gives more of a doll-like appearance. I don't like getting my lash extensions from short to long because that creates that like wispy cat eye look, and for me, I don't want that look because my eyes are already very slim, very almond shaped. They're already pretty cat eye as it is, so adding the longer lashes in the middle and keeping it fairly short on the outer and inner corners is like perfect for me. And yesterday when I went, I think she told me that the length I had in the middle was either 15 or 16, and then the outer parts are a mix of like 12, 13, and 14. So lots of different lengths, but that's the look that I like to go for. I don't like them to look super full and just like, I want them to look fluffy and wispy and just a better version of my natural lashes. I think I covered everything as far as like where I get them done, how much they cost, what style I get, the basics. So now I'm going to talk about some tips and maintenance, how to brush them, things like that. The first thing is when you get a fill, make sure you still have lashes left over. And I know for those of you who already get lash extensions, you're like, of course, duh, like that's what a fill is supposed to be. But for somebody who was like me, getting them done for the first time, didn't really know how they worked, when you get a fill, you have to have at least like 30–40% of your lashes left over. You can't just walk in with like 2 lashes left over and be like, oh, I need a fill. That's going to be considered a full set. So make sure you still have like a good amount of lashes left over before you walk in to get a fill, or else, like I said, you will get charged for a full set. When you go into your appointment, I would recommend to not wear any makeup if possible. I think it's just more relaxing. You're not so worried about your makeup. But if anything, at least don't wear any mascara. It just makes it a lot easier. I think they take the mascara off before anyway. But just so you can walk in, you don't have to worry about nobody rubbing on your eyes. Just don't wear mascara. Don't wear falsies. If you are going to wear makeup too, when you get your eyelashes done, make sure you take something to touch up, because they're going to be putting like these gel patches underneath your eyes and taping and working around your eye area. So if you have concealer or powder under here, it's going to get messed up. It's just that you're getting lash extensions. It's going to happen. I would recommend that you take photos of how you want your lashes to look. So if you saw a celebrity with lash extensions and you like the way they look on her or him, take a photo of how they look. Also take a photo of how you do not want your eyelashes to look. So if you don't like that super thick chunky look, say, hey, this is how I want them to look. This is not what I'm trying to go for, at least not right now. It'd just be really, really helpful so both of you guys know exactly what you're looking for. When it comes down to cleaning them, I don't find it hard at all, really, because I don't apply much product to my lash extensions. So when I have eyelash extensions, I try to avoid applying any type of mascara, but I'm not gonna lie, I've done it before, and I'm sure some of you guys might want to as well, just in case you want them to look a little more full, a little more black. I sometimes apply mascara when I'm running low on the lashes. So if I have like 3 eyelashes on each eye and I just look like I'm struggling, I'll put some mascara on just to even things out. Or if I put a lot of eyeshadow or powder and the ends are starting to look white because of the powder, I'll put a little bit of mascara on them as well, just to make everything look nice and clean. If you do apply mascara, or if you use eyeshadow on the regular or makeup in general, you do want to make sure that you're washing and cleaning them. You should be washing and cleaning them either way, even if you don't wear makeup. And they have a cleaner there that you can buy, but I ended up just going the DIY way, and I just clean my lashes either with my cleanser. I've heard baby shampoo is really good as well. I haven't tried it, but baby shampoo is very gentle, so I can definitely see why that would work. Any oil-free makeup remover. So what I have here that I sometimes use, honestly, la verdad, all I do, jabón y agua. Water and soap. So I use my CeraVe foaming facial cleanser, and this is, I don't know if it's oil free. It doesn't say oil free on here. It says oil control and it says fragrance free, but I don't know if it's actually oil free, but it works for me. I usually just go in with my cleanser. I'm very gentle. I don't rub a lot, but I just kind of tap on there and it works. I don't find that my lashes fall easily. I still see that they last like a month and a week, so that works for me. I also have baby shampoo always on deck, not only for my lashes but for my brushes as well. I clean my brushes with this stuff, but you can also use baby shampoo. It's very gentle. Or one that I personally like that I need to stock up on again is my Neutrogena oil-free eye makeup remover. That one is perfect. Now that I've answered those questions and gave you a few tips, I'm gonna go on Snapchat to see what questions you guys have. Tiana Ford asked, are they worth it? How exactly does the process work? How long do they last? How often do you have to get touch-ups? How much are they usually, and pros and cons? So are they worth it? I think they're absolutely worth it. I like to keep my makeup routine pretty straightforward and simple, especially on an everyday basis. I just throw on some foundation, powder, bronzer, and walk out the door. Even when I'm not wearing makeup, I feel a lot more put together just because I have lash extensions. I could just put a little bit of concealer on my acne marks and walk out the door. If you're somebody who loves to rub your eyes or touch your eyes, or you don't like to worry about feeling anything on your eyes, it may not be worth it. But me, I wear makeup a lot. I wear lashes a lot. I'm used to it already. So something like this is very convenient for me and for my lifestyle. Pros: easy, it's simple, you don't have to worry about it. You can throw on a little bit of makeup and you just look elevated. You just look like you really tried when you really didn't. If any of you struggle with putting false lashes on, this is also very convenient. If you're traveling if you're going on a vacation, if you're going to the Bahamas, if you're going to Hawaii, anywhere tropical, any vacation really, it's a lot easier. Some cons, obviously, they can sometimes be annoying, to be very honest with you, because before getting lash extensions, I was the type of person, when I wash my face, I just want to wash everything and not worry about, oh, my lashes are gonna fall off or whatever. So that's one of the things, is they can sometimes be frustrating. When you're doing eyeshadow as well, sometimes it can be a little hard to work around that area. Constantly having to go to get them filled or redone, that can also be a little bit tedious, especially because they're not cheap. They're pretty pricey. They're a pretty penny. Fabi Pamela asked, does it ruin real lashes or have any effect? That's one of the things that I was worried about when getting lash extensions. Are my lashes gonna fall? Am I gonna end up with no lashes? And when I first got them done, and even now, I do still get a lash or two sometimes get stuck on the lash extensions when they come off. But when they're all off, I still have a lot of lashes. I've heard that like eyelashes don't grow back. Like once they're out and they're gonna damage them and you're gonna end up with no lashes. But when I give my lashes a break from lash extensions, I still have lashes there. So maybe if you're worried about that, I would get the lashes or the lash extension, get a filler too, take a break, really take care of your natural lashes, and then get them again. Can you go inside a pool with them? LOL, for the girls whose first day is at the pool. So I'm pretty sure that you can, because when I jump in the shower, I go full force. I just put my entire face when the water's running, and I don't have any issues with the lashes coming off. I'm pretty sure you can get in the pool with them, which is even better, because if you are going on vacation or if you're going to the pool or whatever, you're gonna be looking like a beat goddess, just coming out with your hair wet and your lashes done. And yeah, I'm pretty sure you'll be fine. Something I almost forgot to mention, I'm filming this clip at a different time than the rest of this video, but another tip is to brush them every morning and every night. They give you, I can't talk today, you guys. They give you this little spoolie, and you just run it through your lashes every morning and every night. It just keeps them looking separate and even and in place. So that's all I have for you guys today. My experience on my lash extensions, whether or not I recommend them, how I like them, tips, tricks, style, everything. If I missed anything for whatever reason, just let me know. Any of your questions down below in the comment section. I am going to list the address, the name, the style that I get down below, and where I go. I think I mentioned that already. I'll leave all the details in the description box in case you want to check it out. And that's it. I love you guys so much. Thank you guys for watching. Los quiero mucho. And I'll see you all in my next video.